Everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you sending money to your friends or making any online payments and you're confused between Cash App or Venmo? So, don't worry, I got you covered. So, in this video, we'll be comparing these both apps and we'll be discussing on their features, fees, and all the security planning. So, both app makes sending money and receiving money super easy, but they have some key differences. So if you start with Venmo, Venmo is basically a social app where you can like and comment on your transactions, making it great for splitting bills with your friends. Cash App, on the other hand, is basically more of a finance app. It's focused on offering stocks, Bitcoin trading, and debit card for spending. If you talk about all the fees and transaction speed, so both app offers free transfers to friends and families and whatnot, but instant transfer costs around like 1.75% for Venmo and 0.5 to 1.75% for Cash App. Cash App offers basically free ATM withdrawals with direct deposit, while Venmo charges you $2.5 per withdrawal. So if you need any instant transfers, both charge a small fee, but Cash App has a slight edge with lower fee. So if you talk about the security and privacy, both apps uses encryption-based security and fraud protection, but Cash App and allows full anonymity, while Venmo's transactions are public by default, although you can make them private in the settings if you want them to. So comparing these both apps, and as you can see on the website, it's like a pretty neat website. And if you'll ask me which app should I suggest, so I'll just say if you want a social payment app for splitting bills and sending money to friends, like making it all casual, go for Venmo. But if you prefer more private, finance focused, and apps with all investing and crypto options, go with Cash App because that's like a more of a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.